Porta-Pit's body is made of cross-linked polypropylene super heavy-duty rotationally molded plastic. It has steel forklift runners and a steel protective halo attached by bolts and lock washers. The steel forklift runners are equipped with steel rungs for dumping and safety. It has a tubular steel halo around the top to prevent the plastic body from scraping the ground when it's turned over. This halo can also be used for other attachments. Porta-Pit suggested usage. The Porta-Pit does not require any lubricants prior to use. The lid has a 10-inch removable cap that can be used to prime a pump, or at the end of the job, chase a rabbit back through the hose. If using it for that feature, always secure the hose to the top of the Porta-Pit using the halo. During ordinary use, the lid should be removed. Prior to dumping the concrete out, the water should be correctly processed and properly removed. Please call for water processing assistance in your area. If you're going to move the Porta-Pit with water inside, then it's recommended to apply the lid and secure it prior to moving the Porta-Pit. Once you have arrived at the location that you wish to dump the concrete out of the Porta-Pit, set the Porta-Pit down with enough space that it can be flipped over away from the forklift and not land on any objects other than the flat surface. When this is secured, remove the lid. Put the forklift blades under the edge of the forklift runner. Simultaneously lift the Porta-Pit and drive forward with the forklift until the Porta-Pit is resting on its side. Because there is a rung at the edge of the forklift runner, you can control the speed that the Porta-Pit is turned on its side. Once the Porta-Pit is turned on its side on a level surface area, it is designed to remain standing by itself. If you're working with a boom pump bin, extreme caution should be used at this time. If the contents were to shift, the Porta-Pit could become unstable and fall forward or backward. All pedestrians should stay clear of the area that the Porta-Pit is utilizing. The forklift will then pick the Porta-Pit up by the top rung and drive the forklift forward while gently lowering the forks. With practice, the Porta-Pit can be eased to the ground to prevent additional wear and tear on the halo. Once the Porta-Pit is turned over, drive the forklift into the forklift runners, but underneath the rungs, and lift it up. The pit should be lifted up and the debris should be on the ground where it was dumped. If there is a little debris left in the Porta-Pit, the forklift can gently lift it and shake it, or find another area and gently bounce it on the ground. Once the Porta-Pit is empty, it may be returned to the area for use, or it can have its lid replaced and put into the appropriate space until needed. When not in use, it is suggested that the lid remain on the pit.